In this course, you are going to learn two methods of jQuery called AppendTo and AppendTo. See here. Like let's say we have a bio and some content is being added inside this do. Now what is this content? Apart from that, I want to add a heading to it, and where do I go to add it? There is a special method called AppendTo. This AppendTo works exactly like AppendTo, which we learned in some of our previous video tutorials, AppendTo and AppendTo. If you haven't watched that video, I will put that link in the above button and also in the description so that you can go and watch that video. Here, what is the difference between AppendTo and AppendTo? I will show you. Look here in the semantics. The selector that comes here comes later. That is, the method called AppendTo is the selector after it, and the content comes first, whereas when we used to work in append, the selector came first, and we used to add the content inside it by adding the method called append later, which we had to append, meaning that we had to add it at the very end. And if I talk about my PrependTo method here, let's say there is a do in it too, and I want to add a heading or any digital element to it, and it is also called to add it at the very beginning. For that, we have a special method here called PrependTo. The PrependTo method also works exactly like our prepend method. The only difference is that the selector in it comes later and the content to be added comes first. In the prepend method, the selector came first and the content came later. That means after the prepend method, we used to add the content here. Let's see how to prepend data. Look here. Here we have created our basic system document. Look here, there is a heading at the top, below it is a subheading, and a paragraph inside it, and two buttons at the bottom. We are going to make this video practical by using both of these, AppendTo and PrependTo. So look here, this is our HTML. Here, we have added an ID to the append button and prepend button. Now we will start the practical. First of all, I will take the script here and inside it. First of all, I will write my basic code of jQuery, which is the starting code document.ready, and inside it, I have created a function. Now here first I will append. So on append which I have put ID, look at it is up and button. So on its click I want that on this dim a heading is added with the help of AppendTo. So see what I will do for that. First I will add click event of this button. Here I will have to add hash also because this is an ID. And here I will add event click. And inside it here, now here, I want as soon as I click on append button. Then in the box, which is our ID, we have to append something. See with the help of AppendTo method, I will have to give the content, which I want to append here first. See here I take a heading 3 inside inverted codes, and inside it see like I have given some message AppendTo, and after that like I have written here like this Baba. And at the end of it I have to put a dot here, and here I have to give the method whose name is AppendTo. Where do I want to append it? The T in AppendTo has to be written in capital letters. After that, you have to write it in the course here. I have to append it to the box. So here I will take the idea of the box and see here. All you have to do is pay attention that first I have to get the content, then AppendTo. Where do I have to do AppendTo, and where to paint it will come later. That means where I have targeted, I have. Here I save the file and see this. As soon as I clicked, it was appended here. I clicked again and it shows. As many times as I click, it will continue to be appended here. In the same way, I will reverse it. I copy the same code and paste it here. The name of the button is PrependTo. I put it here. Then I click on AppendTo, and I will change the method here. AppendTo, where do I want to prepend? What will prepend do? It will put it exactly in the starting position. Whatever content I want to add, see. I prepended, it went up and appended, it went to the last position. So you have seen how AppendTo and PrependTo work. I want to tell you one more thing here, that you can append not only one tag, but as many tags as you want. Look, for example, I took the paragraph tag after the S3 and added something to it like 10 by just text. I saved the file, and as soon as I appended it, see that I am also appending a heading, so only the heading is being appended there. You have seen that we can also add multiple tags here, image tag, heading tag, span tag, or any formatting tag or do tag. We can also add it here. Thanks watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe.